Hey, hi, Lana.
Hi.
My package came and finally, like, I just went to go check. Wait, let me see myself. Oh, no, other way. Almost broke my screen. Okay, so my package came, see? And I've been waiting, like, all day. And Lana. Okay, so, okay, one of these, this is my tripod. I have no idea what this is. I think this is my SD card, my 32 gigabyte. And this is just junk mail. You over there. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my tripod first. Lana, can you give me a butter knife, please?
Okay.
Bitter knife.
Bitter knife.
Bitter knife. Bitter knife. Penny, you in there? Penny. And it's in a dark cave. That's what it looks like. Oh, I see you. I see you. Your head's right there.
Bitter knife.
You may have to get me a bigger knife. Should I unbox all my packages, Lana?
Well, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, I might need you to hold the camera. I just bought this camera, so if you even scratch it, Lana.
I don't trust myself.
Never mind. I don't trust you. Good thing I can see the thing now. Alright, I wonder if it's, you can see, like it's not like dark. Shut up.
I didn't say anything.
No, but I see you.
No, I didn't say anything.
Oh shoot. I thought he would deliver it to her door, but it fits right in. I thought this SD card was gonna come tomorrow, but I'm still waiting for my Blu-ray RV movie.
Oh, that's what you got.
I told you that. I want to see if they can see it. I thought the tripod would like be much longer.
How about I get the scissors?
Oh no, I got it. I got it. I mean, you can go get it if you want. You go get it. Go get it. Oh, this is horrible. Yeah, scissors would be great. Thank you. This came all the way from California. And then my SD card, I think. Hopefully this is my SD card. Came all the way from Kentucky. Wait. I'm confused. That might be something else. That might not be my SD card. It might be my movie because it said that the Blu-ray movie. Lana, where'd you go? My Blu-ray movie came from Kentucky.
You told me to change.
I'm totally lost right now. Oh, okay, I see. Look. No, tripod.
Yeah, it sucks.
Oh shoot. See? Ugh.
It shows a picture.
Okay, that over there. You and bubble wrap, Lana.
What?
I said you and bubble wrap.
I don't know.
I said you and bubble wrap.
What?
There it is, my tripod, guys. My tripod. I wonder if they can see it. Okay. Ah. Tripod. There it is. Okay. Ooh, that new box smell. I can smell it.
You don't have to use scissors for this, you know. Chris, you don't have to use scissors.
I'm zooming in on your face. Oh.
You know, I can see the lens and it's like it's going big and small.
Yeah, yeah.
You can open it from here.
Shit it.
It's easy.
I wasn't gonna use scissors on it. Yay! Is this the box? Oh yeah, the case. I forgot. I was like, what is that? Okay. Don't rip the box. I might need that. Yay! All right, put that on the floor over there.
I want this.
You want the box? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need to. I can't wait to open the other one. Yay! Yeah, it looks like really small. I thought it would be like much bigger.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, it turns into something bigger. And you can see this. Yep, there it is. Wow. It's really warm too, feel it. Here's the case.
Oh, because it has 3 packaging on it. It got 4 packaging. It had 4 packaging on it.
It had this on it. It had that on it. It had that on it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's really.
You don't count
That was wrapping into this one, and then that one was inside the. Shoot.
that. 1, 2,
I forgot about the camera.
4, 5.
Wait, is this? Oh, okay. Wait.
I thought it would be really big. But it's
No,
actually-
it turns into bigger. It turns into something bigger. Okay. See?
Oh.
Yay! It's for my videos. Excited?
I'm really excited.
Oh, it comes with a scale. You see it? The thing?
Yeah.
I almost hit my
We
camera.
were like,
Oh my god, I can't wait to set this up. Right after we finish this video, I'm gonna do a challenge with Lana. Alright, you ready to open this?
Mm-hmm.
This might be something else. Hopefully it's my SD card.
that would be like, yeah.
No, because I don't know. This one I can just
The good thing about these packagings, they're like easy to open.
yellow and purple. Homestead, Florida. Cross your fingers, everybody. Oh yes, it is my SD card. I thought it was with the movie. I was like, no, because I thought it was. I thought it was just gonna be the stuttering. I'm so excited. I'm stuttering. I thought. Oh my god. I thought it was just gonna be like the CD of the movie, like just the CD. And I was like, no, I wanted the case with it too, because I bought a Blu-ray movie, and I was really excited for it because I never had a Blu-ray movie before. Okay, this, it's not focusing. There it is. I haven't touched this camera in days because I've been waiting for my packages. Shoot. I don't know how to. Okay, that's true. You excited, Lana?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
32 gigabyte. 32 gigabyte.
32 gigabyte.
I never had 2 packages come at the same time.
I only had 1 package in my life.
Okay. Oh shoot. I have to make sure they can see it. I keep forgetting. Okay, I'm just gonna have to cut this open. Oh wait. I'm not smart today. This is really hard. Uh-oh. Oh. I thought it was really... That scared me.
Let me just tab up.
I have to make sure they can see. Okay, you can see? Nope, you cannot see. Let me... There you go.
Like
You
it's
can see.
dark.
Oh, shoot. Wait.
Sippy.
Oh, you trickster. It was like just these 2 papers. I was like, where is it? No! My 32 gigabyte... my 32... I was trying to... The screen.
Oh.
SD card. This is for my, like, filming more on movies. Alright, Lana, what were you saying? I'm gonna close my camera. No, I was listening. Alright, trying to set the tripod. Okay. I will see you guys next time. Good damn bad. How do you stop this thing again? No, I didn't want to record it because of the new SD. Oh crap, that scared me. Alright, this is my new tripod. I have to lock in the thing. I'm gonna put this on. Shoot. This is horrible. I don't know if you can see that, but if you can, glad to see that it's
How about you do a close?
Hold on, it's like darkened out. I don't wanna. Pass me my chair.
Is
Please.
that
No, the only chair that's in the room.
Chris?
Pass me the chair. Wow, you know I'm talking about that chair.
No, I don't.
And you're walking away again. No, what chair am I talking about? Goodness gracious, the audience. And it's still too low. Good thing I have a tripod. I mean, if it was right there, it would be fine, but... yeah. This is horrible. I really don't want to trust you, Mike. Okay. Please be fine. Please be fine. Okay, that's good. Here we go. Okay. extend it all the way out. There we go. See? See how it can... And then there's locks. I thought it was like being small. I was like, no, no, I bought the wrong size. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. Wait. Oh, I thought I just broke it. I was like, no! I never had a tripod before. Look at this. It's like really long, daddy long legs. I don't know. Alright, let's see how tall this bad boy can go. Can this go higher? I have no idea. Okay, there we go. I don't know. Something's wrong with you. Okay, I'm gonna put my camera on my tripod. Oh shoot. Wait. Okay. Here we go. Now I have to screw this into the bottom. Shootity shoot. Wait. I'm lost. I'm afraid, never done this before. Oh, it's on backwards. Shoot. I think. Because the scale is right here. I don't know, what are you doing? Goodness. Okay, I see you're taking Penelope out, but... Oh, shoot. I don't know which way is which. My screensaver's going off. Hi, Penelope. Can they see her? There she is. Alright. This might scratch my camera, which I'm really afraid of screwing it in super tight. Okay. Alright. Okay. Penny! Oh my god. What did I... Okay. I'm really doing this. I mean, it would be super nice. This can go a little bit higher. Oh my god. It never ends, does it? There we go. It was zoomed in. This might be on backwards. Yeah. Great. Where do I even start? I think I was doing... Oh, I was doing it right in the first place because the holder, the handle is right here, so I can... yeah. Can this go any higher? If this can go higher, I will love you so much. Oh my god, I did not lock the door. That's how you not lock a door. Oh, I did lock the door. Okay. Hi, Penny. I might just cut this out. Okay. Go in the hole, please. Thank you. Great, now this camera is just hovering in the air. I don't think you're supposed to do that. You want to move my mouse for me, please? Okay. Alright. Yeah, because then... Oh my god. It's hard when you get something new because then, like, you don't know what you're doing. and then you could break something. And this one's a cheap tripod. Alright, in the future I'm probably have to get a new one. Like a better one. Alright. We're good. Yay! I did it. Okay. Yay! I did it again. It's a little, it looks like a little crooked, but I think it'll be fine. How tall are you?
This one.
Height. I don't know.
I don't know. Taller than
Penny. If my camera falls, I will cry to death. I just bought this camera. It's funny how it's a expensive camera, and then the tripod is cheap. Yay! I can't see, but yay. Oh, that's better. Better than I thought.